Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Melissa if you haven't been here before. Today what we're going to do is we're going to play with the Urban Decay Stone Vibes palette. How gorgeous is this packaging? It's actually raised on the cover. Super duper gorgeous. And you open up and it's even more gorgeous inside. By the way, sorry about the rain for the third day in a row. It's not as bad today as it's been, but we'll see if we can make it all the way through the video without having to stop. But this is the gorgeous inside. You have all these shimmer shades, and then you have the 4 mattes on the corners to kind of make your look. It is just super, super gorgeous. I'm so excited to play with it. The package looks the same. It does come with a brush, which is a little different than the brush that was in their Naked palette. It had like a pencil brush on one side, then a fluffy brush. This is more like a tapered fluffy brush on one side, and then more of like a pack-in brush on the other side. And it says, the box says, to read a little bit about it, get inspired to create with the Stone Vibes eyeshadow palette, a lineup of 12 all-new, highly reflective vegan shades infused with genuine tourmaline to block bad vibes and take your look higher. Have it all with 8 creamy prismatic shimmers and 4 down-to-earth grounded mattes. Manifest good vibes with Ho-Ho, a multi-dimensional radiant blue, or dip into Opal Aura, a glowing iridescent shimmer. Whatever path you choose, Stone Vibes will empower you to live your best life. Vegan formula does not contain animal-derived ingredients or byproducts. So it says also it's good to use your finger with the shimmer shade, so we'll see how that goes. I'm going to go ahead and take off my glasses, put on a little bit of Milani eye primer. This palette has purples and greens, so I'm tempted to go both ways, and I'm not sure which way to go. And by the way, today I did my brows off camera, and I used my new Precisely My Brow Pencil in 3.5. They are on sale today, half off for the 21 days of Ulta event, or 21 days of beauty event at Ulta, I think is actually what it is. I'm going to try to do the look with a brush. I'm going to go into Antidote right here, taking the fluffy side of the brush and take that into my crease. Alright, I'm going to take Hexed right here, and I'm going to put that on my outer corner. Alright, I'm going to take Tiger's Eye. It looks kind of like a duochrome type shade to me. And I'm going to put that on the inner part of my lid. And I'm just using my finger. And they feel really soft when you push in to get them. kind of like a Super Shock shadow almost. Kind of that type of bounciness. Taking a cotton round with some micellar water on it. I'm going to clean up any fallout or lines, which I didn't really have any fallout, just from where I accidentally put some on my lower lid when I was trying to tap it onto my upper lid. Alright, I'm taking the Wonder Beauty Catch the Light highlighter and Glotion, and I'm going to take actually the Glotion part of it, and I'm going to use it as my primer, just kind of an illuminating primer. I'm taking the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue Foundation in Light, 111 Light. And I'm going to dot that on my face. Taking my Decay 101 brush and blending that out. Taking the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue Concealer in 08 Light. And I'm going to dot that on my under eyes. I'm blending that out with my concealer brush. I'm taking the number 7 Lift and Illuminate Triple Action Finishing Powder in Light. And I'm going to put that on my under eyes. And this is one of my favorite combos, the Dose of Colors Foundation, Concealer, and this powder. Which I love this powder with everything, but it's just so beautiful, these three together. I'm going to take the number 7 bronzer in Golden Sand. And I'm going to use that to warm my face up a little bit. Going under my chin and down my neck. Taking the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush in Dim Infusion. And I'm going to use that to put some color on my cheeks. Going over my nose so I can be sunburnt and sun-kissed a little while longer while we can. I'm going to take the Iconic London Illuminator Drops in Blush. And I'm just going to dotting a little bit right here. And I'm just going to tap that out with my finger. Take a little bit of it down my nose. I guess that looks alright. I don't use these very often. I normally just mix them in with my foundations. But I wanted to do something a little different. I'm going to take Hex again and I'm going to put that on the lower part of my eye, underneath my lash line, my lower lash line. That's kind of a long way to say my lower lash line. I'm going to take the ColourPop Cream Gel Liner in, what color did I get? Sunnyvale. That was in the Sunflower collection. I'm going to put that on my waterline. I'm going to see if I can put the tiger's eye on my inner corner somehow. I'm putting on the e.l.f. 3-in-1 mascara. Forgot how weird this wand is. Alright, I'm going to put on the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb and Fussy. Oh, it so smells like cherry Kool-Aid. now I'm taking the Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. Now this was also on the 21 Days of Beauty today as well. So it's 50% off, so it's $16.50 I believe it was. So I picked this up and the Precisely My Brow Pencil for today's 21 Days of Beauty. Alright, well this is the final look using the Urban Decay Stone Vibes palette. I am truly loving this palette so far. It is just gorgeous. All these beautiful shimmer shades. They're different from normal shimmer shades. I mean, they kind of remind me of the Huda Beauty formula, but I don't have any of their palettes that are like that. Like the, that have the kind of marbly shimmer shades. I don't have any like that, so I can't tell you if it's similar or not, but they're really beautiful. I've swatched some of them and they're pretty. I think that this would be a great palette to pick up if you're thinking about picking it up. I would definitely recommend this palette. It is gorgeous and I can't wait to play with it some more. I love the look that I came up with. It just really came out great. I'm just really loving how everything just came together in general, but I definitely love this eye looks. I have some exciting news. We finally hit 25 subscribers, so I'm going to be doing a giveaway. So if you aren't subscribed already, if you'll subscribe, like, and leave a message down below, I'm going to give it a few days and pick a winner, and I'll either message you in the comments to get your details, or we'll figure that out. But yeah, if you'll want to enter in the giveaway, that's all the rules is, and I'll put them down in the description so that you can look at them just in case. But make sure you're subscribed. And if you'll leave a comment down below, whatever you want to say, if you want to say, please pick me, whatever, just leave a comment down below and I'll pick a winner here in the next few days. So that's going to be all. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Also, if you haven't already, I'd love for you to subscribe and become a part of our family. Also, ring the bell so you can be notified whenever I upload my amazing content. And that is going to be all for me. I will talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.